All right, so we have Act 1, Scene 4 from Macbeth. And before we start line by line explanation, I humbly request you to download the app and get all the free material for yourself, especially the slides that we use in our sessions. And now we talk about Act 1, Scene 4. और छोटा सा सीन है लेकिन this basically in a way in this scene you realize that Duncan himself is moving towards his death much faster than actually what Macbeth imagined. So start करते हैं. The king's headquarters flourish. Enter King Duncan, Lennox, Malcolm, Donalbain and attendants. तो सब महाराज आ रहे हैं टाइप्स एंट्री होती है. Duncan, is execution done to Corder or not? Those in commission yet return? Okay. तो डंकन पूछता है कि यार जो थेन ऑफ कॉर्डर जिसने बगावत की थी, द रिबल, हैज ही बीन एग्जीक्यूटेड और नॉट? दोज इन कमीशन इन चार्ज ऑफ द एग्जीक्यूशन, इनको कहा गया था एग्जीक्यूट करने को, हैव दे रिटर्न और नॉट? मैल्कम, माय लीज, माय लॉर्ड, दे आर नॉट येट कम बैक, बट आई हैव स्पोक विद वन दैट सॉ हिम डाई, who did report that very frankly he confessed his treasons, implored your highness pardon and set forth a deep repentance. Okay. So Malcolm says, my lord, abhi those in commission, those in charge of execution, they have not returned, but मैंने खबर सुनी है एक बंदे से जो उसने execution देखा है, and that very frankly he confessed his treasons, and Thane of Cawdor ने अपने treasons को, अपने धोखाधड़ी को एक्सेप्ट किया है फ्रैंकली. इम्प्लोर्ड योर हाइनेस पार्डन, आपसे पार्डन की उम्मीद की, माफी, एंड सेट फोर्थ डीप रिपेंटेंस, और पछतावा. रिपेंटेंस इज पछतावा, पश्चाताप. नथिंग इन हिज लाइफ बिकेम हिम लाइक द लीविंग इट, और उसने जिंदगी में जो भी कुछ किया उन सबसे बड़ी चीज जो रही वो हिज डेथ. ही डाइड एज वन दैट हैड बीन स्टडीड in his death, to throw away the dearest thing he owed as 'twere a careless trifle. And it appeared that he had sort of rehearsed how he's going to die. So whatever he did in his life, he died as a noble person. ठीक है, वहां पे dignified था. To throw away the dearest thing he had owed as it were a careless trifle. Became graced, befitted, studied, practiced, and as though it were. So what we have done is we have also tried to accommodate as many meanings in the slide as possible so that when you revise it becomes relatively easy for you. Duncan, there's no art to find the mind's construction in the face. He was a gentleman on whom I built an absolute trust. और डंकन यहाँ पे ना थोड़ा इमोशनली याद करता है और थोड़ा बोलता है कि यार हम चेहरे से किसी के दिल में क्या रखा है नहीं पढ़ सकते. देयर इज नो आर्ट टू फाइंड अ माइंड्स कंस्ट्रक्शन. आपका दिमाग आपसे क्या बात कर रहा है, क्या बता रहा है, what plans are going on, what conspiracy is going on in your brain, in your head, cannot be read from the face. He was a gentleman on whom I built an absolute trust. और मैंने एक जेंटलमैन समझ के उसको पूरा उस पर यकीन किया था, पूरा ट्रस्ट किया हुआ था. एंटर मैकबेथ, बैंको, रॉस एंड एंगस. ये उन 3 विचेस की प्रोफेसी वगैरह सुन के वापस आ रहे हैं. ओ वर्दियस्ट कजन, द sin of my ingratitude even now was heavy on me. Thou art so far before the swiftest wing of recompense is slow to overtake thee. Would thou hadst less deserved, that the proportion both of thanks and payment might have been mine. Only I have left to say, more is thy due than all can pay. All right. मैकबेथ ने एंट्री मारी एंड डंकन इज ऑलरेडी फुल ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड. अच्छा, अभी डंकन की प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि अभी थेन ऑफ कॉर्डर से धोखा खाया है एंड इमीडिएटली वो अपनी पूरी ट्रस्ट फिर से दूसरे बंदे में, दैट इज मैकबेथ में पूरा फिर से वो इन्वेस्ट कर रहा है. ही सेज द sin ऑफ माय इनग्रेटिट्यूड इवन नाउ वाज हेवी ऑन मी. हालांकि उसको थेन ऑफ कॉर्डर बना दिया है, बट स्टिल ही इज सेइंग दैट द sin ऑफ माय इनग्रेटिट्यूड, द sin ऑफ माय थैंकलेसनेस वाज weighing heavy on me. Though art so far before that swiftest wing of recompense is slow to overtake thee. Whatever you have done for Scotland, for your king, वो इतना ज्यादा आपने कर दिया है that स्विफ्टेस्ट विंग ऑफ रिकॉम्पेंस, उसके लिए जो कुछ भी रिवॉर्ड आपको दिया जाए, वट एवर कॉम्पनसेशन वी प्रोवाइड, वो कम ही रहेगा. ऑलराइट, हाँ. Would thou hadst less deserved that the proportion both of thanks and payment might have been mine. And अगर you were less deserving, so thankfully क्या होता ना, फिर मेरा payment and your actions, वो दोनों एक प्रोपोर्शन में रहते. पहले क्या बोलता है कि आपके एहसान बहुत ज्यादा हैं, हम उसको कॉम्पनसेट नहीं कर सकते, उसके बदले हम आपको जितनी भी तारीफ करें आपकी, जितने भी रिवॉर्ड्स दें, सब कम है. अगर थोड़ा कम काम किया होता तो प्रॉब्ली मेरा पेमेंट, मेरा ग्रेटिट्यूड उसके बराबर प्रोपोर्शन में होता. ओनली आई हैव लेफ्ट टू से मोर इज दाई ड्यू देन मोर देन ऑल कैन पे. और मेरे पास सिर्फ यही कहने को है कि जितना आपने किया है वो बहुत ज्यादा है और उसके लिए हम कोई भी पेमेंट या ग्रेटिट्यूड एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकते हैं. आई विश यू डिजर्व लेस सो दैट माई रिवॉर्ड्स माइट हैव बीन इन proportion. This is the line. Would thou hast less deserved that the proportion both of thanks and payment might have been mine. So यहां पे वो बिल्कुल अपना ग्रेटिट्यूड एक्सप्रेस करता है. कौन? डंकन. किसको? मैकबेथ के. कौन सा मैकबेथ? ये मैकबेथ, the one who is planning the murder, or at least thinking of it. Macbeth, the service and the loyalty I owe in doing it pays itself. Your Highness' part is to receive our duties, and our duties are to your throne and state, children and servants, which do but what they should by doing everything safe toward your love and honor. All right. Macbeth simply express करता है कि सर ये तो हमारी ड्यूटी है to work for you, for your children, for the country, for the servants, and आप सिर्फ इसको रिसीव करें. That's it. Duncan, welcome hither. I have begun to plant thee and will labor to make thee full of growing. And now Duncan says that, okay, I have decided that I will take you under my wings and I will make sure that you grow to your full potential. I have begun to plant thee and will labor to make thee full of growing. Noble Banquo, that hast no less deserved, nor must be known, no less to have done so. Let me enfold thee and hold thee to my heart. And then he looks to Banquo and says, Banquo, you also do not deserve any less than what Macbeth deserves. So please, accept my gratitude. Banquo, there if I grow, the harvest is your own. And Banquo is also full of gratitude, says, dear king, if I grow in your heart, then whatever I become is your harvest. You can take it all. Duncan, my plenteous joys, wanton in fullness, wanton, lavish, seek to hide themselves in drops of sorrow. और जो मेरे मन में इतनी खुशियां हैं वो ड्रॉप्स ऑफ सॉरो के पीछे थोड़ी दब जा रही हैं, छुप जा रही हैं. Sons, kinsmen, thanes, the lords, that is, and you whose places are the nearest, know, we will establish our state upon our eldest Malcolm, whom we name hereafter the Prince of Cumberland. और यहां पे एक अनाउंसमेंट होता है. Duncan announces that he has we will establish our state upon our eldest Malcolm, whom we name hereafter the Prince of Cumberland. Prince of Cumberland घोषित करने का मतलब है he will be the next king of Scotland. तो उन्होंने अपना heir घोषित कर दिया है. The title of Scottish heir apparent, the equivalent of the English Prince of Wales. तो डिक्लेरेशन होता है कि Malcolm will be the next king, which honor must not accompanied invest him only, but signs of nobleness like stars shall shine on all deservers, to Macbeth from hence to Inverness, and bind us further to you. And Duncan also declares that it's not only that he is going to get all the rewards. Of course, he is going to be the king, but everyone who is closely associated to the king and the family, not accompanied, invest him only, but signs of nobleness like stars shall shine on all deservers. और जो कोई भी डिजर्विंग कैंडिडेट्स हैं उनको सबको इक्वली रिवॉर्ड किया जाएगा. इन्वर्नेस, जहां पे मैकबेथ रहता है, उसका जो कासल है वहां पे. मैकबेथ, the rest is labor which is not asked for you. I'll myself the harbinger and make joyful the hearing of my wife with your approach. So humbly take my leave. और यहां पे मैकबेथ कहता है कि सर, I'll carry this good news of Malcolm becoming the heir apparent to my wife myself. So please allow me to leave. Duncan, my worthy Corder. And Duncan says, why not? Macbeth aside. Aside माने अब Macbeth अपने से बात कर रहा है, सोच रहा है वहां पे, ठीक? He's saying, the Prince of Cumberland, that is step on which I must fall down or else overleap. For in my way it lies. Stars, hide your fires. Let not light see my black and deep desires. The eye wink at the hand, yet let that be which the eye fears when it is done to see. Okay. अब Macbeth कह रहा है, यार, this declaration of Malcolm becoming the Prince of Cumberland and hence the heir apparent and hence the future king of Scotland, that is a step on which I must fall down or overleap. अब ये एक स्टेप है, ये एक सीढ़ी है जहां पे या तो मैं गिरूंगा या इसके ऊपर लीप करके निकल जाऊंगा. For in my way it lies. Stars, hide your fires. Stars, stop shining. Let there be no light. Let not light see my black and deep desires. कौन सी desires हैं ये? To murder Duncan and become the king of Scotland. The eye wink at the hand. Let not light see my black and deep desires. The eye wink at the hand, and let not the eye see my hand which murders the king. Yet let that be which the eye fears when it is done to see. फिर भी, allow me to keep that emotion in my heart. The one that says, go and kill Duncan and become the king of Scotland. So he doesn't want to go public about his desires, but he still wants to do it. वो करना वही चाह रहा है, बस चाह रहा है कोई उसको देखे ना, उसका खुद का हाथ जो शायद डैगर मारेगा वो भी ना देख पाए कि उसने क्या किया है. Wink at the hand, not see what the hand is doing. Duncan, true worthy Banquo, he is full of will. By the way, this Macbeth leaves thinking this thing. Duncan, true worthy Banquo, he is full, so valiant, and in his commendations I am fed, it is a banquet to me. Let's after him, whose care is gone before to bid us welcome. It is a peerless kinsman. And Duncan फिर Banquo को एड्रेस करता है कि यार, he is a very brave man. Or while Macbeth is thinking the murder, all right, Duncan is praising Macbeth and talking to Banquo regarding it. Banquo seems to have been praising Macbeth to Duncan whilst the audience was listening to Macbeth's thoughts spoken aside. All right. And here the scene ends. तो छोटा सा सीन था. Duncan Macbeth से मिलते हैं, उनको प्रेज करते हैं कि यार जितने तुम्हारे एहसान हैं उसके हिसाब से तो हम ग्रेटिट्यूड एक्सप्रेस भी नहीं कर सकते हैं. एंड Macbeth, who is planning to murder Duncan, very quietly accepts all the gratitude and says, sir, thank you, ये तो हमारी ड्यूटी है. And then the announcement comes that Malcolm, the eldest of Duncan, is going to become the Prince of Cumberland, which means heir apparent, the king of Scotland later on. And this really hurts Macbeth. And he talks to himself, he says, I must do it. I have that dark desire to kill Duncan and become the king, but it should not be found out. Stars, stop shining. Light, let us say that nothing is seen, so my desires are exposed. I don't want them to be exposed. तो ये हमारा एंड होता है Act 1 Scene 4. छोटा सा था, but that is how it finishes, it ends, and thank you for staying. We'll be back very soon for Act 1 Scene 5.